Okay, let me redo my intro. I'm team with fruitberries. It is fruit ninja time. I'm team with two simmers, Zeus and Vixella, so it's gonna be epic.
Oh god.
Oh no, I'm dead. Ah! Okay, I got the gold key. Got it?
Oh, Jesus. Okay, we need to find history. Cause we're not stopping until we break through. So take your best shot, make your move.
Oh, I got punched.
I'm fighting.
I dead.
No, I died. Oh, I just
Got 3, 4.
Nice, good job, fruit. Good job.
You're good.
I'm dead. Well done, no one died.
Got him? I got three. I got Dominic.
died.
I killed someone! Woo!
5,000 coins! It's just...
What up?
Teabagging everyone right now, man.
Well done.
Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Holy! Fruit ninja, let's go! I'm also first. Oh my god! I got first! I got second. Hello. Go.
That was...
We just gotta pop off. Yes!
Oh my god! We're doing it!
Are we in dodgeball?
We're in dodgeball.
Even if we lose, it's still.
Oh,
awesome to be playing.
I'm ecstatic just to be here. It's an honor.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be in dodgeball?
It feels good.
Oh my god.
Let's go!
I got one. Got one.
Nice, let's go.
Got him. Let's go.
Nice.
Just keep on.
Oh, I tried. Lost game.
Well, you know what? We put on a really good show.
We did. Yeah, what a show,
2
everybody.
for
Well
2,
done.
and then 1v1 at the end there. That was a good show.
That was very fun. All right. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it here. So I'll see you guys later.